So if you saw the service into this Kernow Beta 4100 for trucking and farming, it's a PR27 97 approved radio with factory original mic, and that means it's 80 channel FM only. So these will be built around about 1998, doing full 4 watt output on UK channels and a little bit less on the bottom end of CPT. Stretching these for 80 channels is a bit of a compromise. Trucking and farming will be using it UK channels. Receiver is excellent, 0.22 microvolts. You know, anyone would think it was a Cybernet 134. It's got crystal filters because of the approval. Right, let's change channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just testing.
Yep, roger that.
Right, plug makes just the speaker in.
Roger.
And we're ready.
Yeah, we're off we go. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and there's no tone control on this radio.
Roger, if that's the newish set, you may have to hold the PTT down a little bit before you speak, so put yourself off a bit there.
Yeah, he's only 25 years old instead of 40 years old, so by this time we'd gone down the cheapness avenue.
Yep, roger that. A bit of a buzz as well on it.
And it's a cheap radio.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 159.9 and 183.9.
Roger on that. The advantage of doing them in the daytime.
Roger. Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Got you square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over. Have you got you at the top of the hill?
Roger.
This radio is new enough to have a fake power meter.
Oh dear. now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got your line and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
21 from Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
the Kernow Beta 4100 from about 1998. It's doing full 4 watts output. Well, that'll be 3.95 or something like that. And it's PR27 approved, so it's 8 channel FM only, over.
Yep, roger, that's all received, no problems.
Just for your information, I'm on the factory original mic.
Roger. Buzz seems to have gone, so there you go.
The thing when it's a fully binding signal, you know, you just hear everything, don't you?
Yeah, roger. Level crossing. Over.
You're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Won't be able to park in the usual spot. There's a truck pulled up there. I might be able to. I might be lying. No, I'm not.
Look, let's see what happens.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Are you there?
Original microphone. We're going to go over to CCT channels, staying on channel 31, over.
Yeah, Roger, I'll see you there. Just stand by, we'll have to start again, I wasn't recording. Can you go back to EU, please? Sorry, go back to UK. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Yeah, roger that. I'll see you on CPT. Right, I can't hear you. Don't know if you can hear me, but I'm going back to UK. Yeah, roger that. I didn't hear you on EU. I don't know if you heard me.
So I've got some interference and it's knocking out CPT altogether. So I'll be when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that wasn't a fair test because we weren't in the usual place, but there you go.
Exactly. Yes, it's very lousy wherever you were.
Yeah, it's in the shade of a lot of trees there. You know, it's not great.
Roger on that. Okay.
Right, we're back on the move in the right direction.
I've got local experience with the channel. They didn't have one channel I put on. I've still got a local.
Roger, I didn't really understand a lot of that apart from local interference. I did say we're on the move, coming back up to the junction with the main road.
I got that.
Right, we're square wheeled for the train. Only upside it has gone through and the barriers are going up, but it's quite a queue.
Roger, got your queue for the train.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 159.9.9. How was it? I don't know.
Oh, there you go. Never mind. Anyway, that's it's just not a bit of experience at the 5 mile point with you struggling with getting in the normal position. So other than that, that was okay. So 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
From Chippie, over level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 159.9.
Oh, there you go. Never mind. Anyway, that it just got a bit of interference at the 5 mile point with you struggling with getting in the normal position there. So other than that, that was okay. So 10-10.
Yeah,
10-10. Okay, so when it was at the 5 mile point, and there is a lot of interference out there today. When I was at the 5 mile point, somehow I got into dual watch, so it was looking at the another channel. I don't know what other channel was it was looking at, but it was. But that's user error. So you know, lousy squelch, cheap radio, just about doing 4 watts. It's funny, you know, the Kernow radios. The Beta 1100 is a lovely radio. No meter, no fuss, no nothing, and really does work very well indeed. And then the 2100 is an unremarkable set. The 3100 pretty similar to this, and as you go up the range, you get worse and worse and worse till you hit the 5100, which you wouldn't want to buy. So there we go. Kernow Beta 4100 from about 1998, and that's an 80 channels PR27 97 approved radio. We'll go through to our base station and listen to it on our Midland 76900.
I'm testing the Kernow Beta 4100 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No low power on this radio, so that's where it ends. Tomorrow, I think we've got a road toll 230